Hi YouTube, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, we're going to install VS Code on a Windows 11 PC in 2026. First thing you need to do is open up a browser here. And I'm going to search for VS Code. And we'll come to this website, code.visualstudio.com. I'm going to click on that. Now you can go right here and download for Windows if, like me, you have an Intel-based Chromebook. If you have a different version, click the download up here. And you'll see you can do x64, which is Intel, or ARM64, which is an ARM-based Windows machine. You can also do it for a Chromebook with a .deb file and pick your processor type there. I'm going to go back to the main page, just click Download for Windows, and I'll let that download. Once that downloads, I can click to open. And you have the license agreement. To install it, you're going to need to accept the license agreement. You can read that through on your own. I'll click Next. It's going to give me a folder where it's going to put it. I'm going to leave that as is and click Next. And it's going to give me a shortcut. I'm just going to leave that as is. I'm going to create a desktop icon and add open with code for both of these. So I'm going to check both of these. You can read those and either check those or don't. Click Next, and then I'm going to go ahead and click Install. Okay, so right now I have this checked to launch Visual Studio Code. You can uncheck that, but I'll just leave it checked and just open it once I click Finish. We can close out the browser now. And here we go. We've got VS Code with the walkthrough here. If you're first time using it, if not, you can just mark done. You can go through and do some of the AI stuff. I'm not going to be using it personally for that, but you can explore that if you want. One other thing I like to do is just right click and pin it to my taskbar. You'll see I did create a desktop icon as well. And there you go. That's an install of VS Code. That's all there is to it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.